Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm just going to show you how to remove the rear half shaft on a Suzuki Jimny. If you haven't done one before. So first of all, you've got to get the brake shoes off out of the way. Remove the brake pipe off the rear brake cylinder. There is a flexi on top of the axle which I've clamped off to stop it leaking too much fluid. On the axle here, you can see you've got 4 nuts holding them on. You've got to remove those, they're 12mm, and then you're going to need one of these. This is a sliding hub puller, and it just goes on to the studs that your wheel comes off, and then all going well, you should quite easily pull the shaft out. There we go, simple as that. See there it's split. That's your ABS ring and your bearing. And then you just pull the whole lot out. You'll probably lose a little bit of diff oil here, so make sure you check it on reassembly. On this one we're actually changing the half shaft oil seal because it's got a bit of a leak and it's soaking the brakes in diff oil. So that's the bearing there, and if you look inside here, there is the oil seal. So that's what we're actually changing on this one. We're going to pull that out and put a new one in. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.